Anyway, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Zikel 24 hours kiss proof lip stain. Is it 24 hours? Is it kiss proof? Let's watch this video from start to finish to find out. Before then, yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys briefly how I wipe this lipstick and how I set my lips back up for a new color of lipstick. If you have a bride and you just want to change your lipstick and you don't know what to do, this might actually help you. This is like a bonus. My lipstick is, you know, it has a bit of gloss on it. If it doesn't have, add gloss to your matte lipstick, not matte lipstick, matte lipstick. Add gloss to it and wipe it off. Can you see? Just wipes once like that. It makes it like really easier. Okay, so if you notice, like around my lips looks a bit rough, all I'm going to do is, don't panic, don't go insane, just take your beauty blender, take the foundation and just blend it in round about the lips like that. Right round about the lips. You can also use a bit of powder as well. I have my powder. I'll just use powder in my shade. But right round about my lips, I always like to use the lighter products. Just here. And I'm going to use gloss, and my lipstick is set for... Now, this is the first shade I'm going to use. It's called Diva. This Diva is like a brown color. It's like a deep brown color. Like a wine color, actually. It looks more like wine color. So I'm going to be applying this. Let's see what it looks like. So guys, this is what this one looks like. It's like a classic, like if you have this Gatsby kind of, you know, look that you want to create, this is really nice. It's cool, it's not bad. So guys, the next one I'm going to be using is called Killer. Remember that we're still on Zikel 24 hours kiss proof lip stain. Okay, so this one, what do I think about the brush? It's not bad. It's just the basic, you know, would I say breeze tool that they use for lipstick, but it's not really bad. It's really firm when you want to apply it. So let's apply this one. Another thing I noticed about this lip stain is that you actually need like a double coat to have a full coverage of the lip stain. As it is looking dry, it looks like it's breaking. That's the unfortunate part about it, but this is not a bad color. This is actually very pigmented thing, guys. Can you see it's breaking as I'm matting it? See? It's really breaking. Like, so the next color I'm going to apply as random is called, this is called Bites. This is like a magenta color, like a dark purple color basically. So this is called Bites. This is another color that I really love. I actually used it for my eyeshadow. Like, that's what I used. I didn't even use any eyeshadow color, but I used that for my eyeshadow and also my blush as well for this makeup. So let's try this as a lipstick and let's see what it looks like. As regards to this one, I feel that this is the best formula out of the three. Somehow this formula applies way better. Like, just one coat, it spreads really perfectly. And I really love the color. It's not like, it's really cool color. So yeah, this is called Bite. So this is the color you look out for. I think you can actually buy this in single if you don't want to buy the pack. So, but this color, I really love it. Let's do the kiss test. It doesn't even pull as compared to the other color. So kiss test. Now this works. So I'm going to be applying this one. I'm just a bit confused. Next, this is called, should I pronounce it or not? But anyway, I don't know why they said it is called blowjob. it's not me, it's them. It's Zikel that said it's called blowjob, just for the record. So let's apply this. This is like a pinky shade. This is like, you know, like a normal pink shade. So let me apply this color too. I really love it. So I had to apply lip gloss on this for this to stay, but I think this might be my favorite color. I give it thumbs up 100%. I think out of all the colors, I like this one so far because I'm team in between nude and vibrant color. So the person that picked this color has sense. I like it. Before I wipe this off, like I just really love this color so much, I'm not going to wipe this off. So I'm going to combine this color with this bite to show you guys what it will look like. Like if I was fair, this one brings out my complexion more. So I really love this combo. Not bad. I give it thumbs up. But you are safe as long as you use a lip gloss or a Vaseline. Now guys, the next color that I'm going to be using is called the Celebrity. So this is called Celebrity. This is like a nude color, but it's not all nude. It's like a foundation color, like a bright foundation color shade. So let's apply this and see what it looks like. So this is my last lipstick. Like, it's called Njideka. Njideka is actually my favorite color, to be honest. That's one color that you find me using. I think I have three colors in this palette that I really love personally. Njideka is like a red color, like a radiant, like a royal. I wish there was a color called royal red. This color is everything for me. So let me apply and show. So guys, for me, yeah, this is my favorite color of all times. Like, you see, one thing I love about this color is that if you are dark, if you are medium tone, if you are light, this color is so perfect for you. Like, this is my perfect bridal color. Like, if you have your traditional wedding and you're looking for a lipstick color to choose, this color is it for me. Like, I really love this lipstick. And other colors I also like, out of the 6 colors here, is the blowjob. I really like blowjob. Like, it's a really lovely color. And I also love bites. Like, bites is also another color that I really love. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase your Zikel lipstick palette, oh, I forgot to mention, this video is not even sponsored, but as I've said, if I have anything that I use for myself and I want to share with you guys, I'm always free to share. Until God blesses us more and we start getting this, you know, endorsements now. But till then, you know, this is not sponsored video. What do I think about the lipsticks general? This is actually kiss proof. A couple of their formulas are not right with other colors, and some formulas are really nice, you know, in other colors. So yeah, this is kiss proof. I think this is the most kiss proof out of most of the colors that I've used, and you know, this is really cool. Let's have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video if you like to see similar videos like this. Until then, I am yours truly, Akonke Oge. Peace. Sign out.